Another round of insanity done. I'm in the best shape of my life. What's next, Sean? Bring it on.
Are you ready? Come on, pump it. You go, you push, you live in it. You have to push. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, what's up? I'm behind the scenes at the Asylum shoot. If you survive this insanity and want to see what's next, leave your email address and you will step into the Asylum. With Asylum, you'll jump higher, run faster, get stronger, you'll chisel your abs, and I'll even give you a day of rest so you can win on game day. In the Asylum, you'll dig deeper and push yourself harder than ever before. You'll look and feel like an athlete on and off the field. It's just you and me. Enter your name and email address and be the first to know when the Asylum is available. Get in first or get left behind.